Hi guys, I have a new problem. Electrical outlet not working in the master bathroom and hallway bathroom, both upstairs. However, other electrical outlets in the bedrooms are working fine, and circuit breaker is fine. It's not tripped. So it's time to troubleshoot. Here's the electrical outlet. It did not trip. So just to eliminate this as a suspect, I went ahead and turn off the circuit breaker for these two, which is connected to the bathrooms upstairs, and switch it back on, but still no electrical power. I'm in the master bathroom, checking for power. Negative, no power. Second bathroom outlet, no power. Okay, so that's the second bathroom. Adjacent is this outlet. It has power. It's good. Okay. And that's the first bathroom with no electrical power. And this is the next one. I'm going to test. It has power. Alright, that's the last receptacle that we checked. And then this is the third one. And it has power. So we have three good electrical outlets close to the master bathroom. So the plan is I am going to replace each one of them one by one, hoping that one of them is bad. And for, let's say this one is bad, and the reason why it affects the outlet in the master bathroom, it's because it's feeding power from this outlet. So let's see. I will be right back. So this second good electrical outlet, you only have one yellow light lit. There should be two. However, only one, which means open neutral. And when you look up here, the white wire is loose. So I think this is the culprit. Hopefully. Alright, let me tighten it up and test it. The white wires were tightened, and we have the two blue lights, which is the correct indicators. However, still no power in the bathroom electrical outlets. I notice a burnt mark here on this electrical outlet. Maybe this is the problem. I'll go ahead and replace this with a brand new outlet and test it. I replaced the burnt electrical outlet with a brand new one. I got two lights, which is the correct indicator. However, still no power at the electrical outlet in the two bathrooms. So I replaced all the electrical outlets for all the rooms, master bedroom, bedroom number 2, and bedroom number 3, but still no electrical power in the bathroom outlets, the master bathroom and the hallway bathroom. My son informed me that he's trying to use his Alexa or play music in the garage, and there's no power. So I checked it, and this GFCI is tripped. So I reset this, and that solved the problem. This is bedroom number 1. There is power. Second bedroom, let's check. Yes, there's power. Problem solved. So, to recap, we solved the problem by checking all the receptacles, not only in the second floor, but the entire house, before calling an electrician and spend big bucks. Check all the electrical outlets. I hope this helps. Thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.